Hi everyone. Our class for today is factorization. Um, we start with common factors. Yeah. Of course, this is the fourth class for algebra. Yeah, we are moving gradually. Yes, after factorization, we can go to what we call algebraic fractions. From algebraic fractions, then we can go to equations. So we deal with the case of types of equations. So from there, we can think of something else. All right, so here we talk about factorization, but in factorization, we have different cases. Yeah, expressions can appear with different cases, yeah, in different nature. Sometimes you can think of common factors, sometimes you can think of difference of two squares, sum and difference of two cubes. You can think of factorization by grouping, trinomials, all of them. So this is common factors. Why is it so called common factors? Because you'll be able to find something between two or more terms, something that can be common among the terms. All right. So here the first one says 2x minus 6. Now when you want to factorize, especially dealing with common factors, as the name implies, what is common, we compare a number and a number. Then we compare a variable and another variable. Yeah, precisely a letter and another letter. Okay, so between 2 and 6, what is common? Definitely it is 2, because 2 can go into 2 without a remainder, 2 can go into 6 without a remainder. Then how about x? X, we can say it is not common because this term contains x, but there is no x here. So between the two terms, only 2 is common. Then we open our bracket. Now 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x simply means 2x divided by 2. So when these two are gone, we are left with x. This is minus 2 into 6. How many times? 2 into 6 simply means 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So what we get is 2 multiplied by x minus 3. So this is the factorized one for this expression. So here again, let's compare numbers and we also compare letters, precisely variables. All right, so for 4 and 18, what is common is 2. 2 can go into 4 and also into 18 without a remainder. We cannot say 3 is common because 3 can go into 18, but 3 cannot go into 4 without a remainder. Likewise, 4 can go into itself, but 4 cannot go into this without a remainder. So 2 is what is common between them. So let's go individual letters. P with a power of 2, P with a power of 1. So the one with a lesser power is common. So we say P is common. Q with 1 as a power, Q with a power of 1. So they are the same. So Q is common. So now 2 into 4 simply means 4 divided by 2, which is 2. P into P squared simply means P squared divided by P, which is P times P divided by P. So this and this can go, it remains P. So therefore, P into P squared is just P. Yeah. So Q into Q itself, the same power. So Q can take away Q. So there will be no Q remaining. Plus 2 into 18 is 9. Then P with a power of 1, P is a power of 1, is like P takes away P. There will be no P remaining. Q takes away Q. There will be no Q remaining. So this is what we have. So this is how we factorize when there is something common between the terms or among the terms. So here we need to be careful. We have m squared. Here is just m. So m squared and m, the one with a lesser power is m. So m is common. N with a power of 1, n with a power of 2. So n is the one that is common. Yes. Let's don't forget that there is one here. There is one here. So it's like we have 1 over 3, 1 over 9. So what is common between 1 over 3 and 1 over 9? For us to know that, this is bigger than this, so it's easier for us to say 1 over 9 divided by 1 over 3. So 1 over 9 times the inverse, 3 over 1. So this is 1, this is 3. 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 1 is 3. So between 1/3 and 1 over 9, 1 over 3 is the one that is common. So simply mn over 3 is common. Okay. So now we say m with a power of 1, m with a power of 2. So m with a power of 2 means there are two m's. So this m will take away 1, there will remain 1m. Otherwise, you can say m into m squared means m squared divided by m. So this is m times m over m. So this takes away this, it remains m. Yeah. So n single, n is also single. So n takes away n. There will be no n remaining. Okay. Now let's go to the number. 1 over 3 into 1 over 3 is just the same. There will be no 1 over 3 remaining. So this is plus. Yes, 1 over 3 into 1 over 9. 1 over 3 into 1 over 9 is the same as 1 over 9 divide 1 over 3, which is 1 over 3, what we did here. So that will remain 1 over 3. So how about m? M is single, takes away the single m. There will be no m remaining. N with a power of 1, n with a power of 2. So it means there are two n's. This n takes away one n. There will remain one n. Okay, so this is what we have again for this case. The 1 is not necessary because 1n is only n. Now, 2 over 3 and 6, what is common? Some people struggle to factorize, especially when there are fractions. Yeah, even in calculus, we have cases wherein you need to understand what is common in some cases, especially when we have multiple brackets. So if you want to know what is common between this and this, just say this divided by this. 6 divided by 2 over 3. 6 multiplied by the inverse, 3 over 2. This is 1, this is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So now we know this can go into this 9 times. So we can say 2 over 3 and 6, what is common? 2 over 3. There is x, there is x. X is common, especially n with x with a power of 1, x to a power of 1. So this takes away this takes away this. It appears like nothing is remaining. So in a situation like this, we say it is 1. There is a plus sign. 2 over 3 into 6 is the same as 6 divided by this one. So 6 divided by this will get 9. So this is 9. Single x takes away single x. There is no y here to take away this y. So this y survives. So factorization of common factors, if you want to prove, what do we say? 2 times x is 2x. This times this is this one. You multiply this by this, you get this. You multiply this by this, you get this one. You multiply this by this, we get this. The same thing goes. So 2 over 3x times 1, 2 over 3x. 2 over 3x times 9y, you can still get this one again because 3 into 9 is 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. X times y is xy. Okay. We have another one here. Yeah, sometimes when you have multiple brackets, you want to factorize. Don't think it is difficult. Yeah, don't be panicked. So what we do is, the fact that we have multiple brackets, what do? Let's try to observe something here. This bracket contains the same thing that is here. 1 plus 3x, 1 plus 3x. Only that this bracket has a power of 2, this bracket has a power of 1. A bracket with a power of 1 means one bracket. A bracket with a power of 2 means two brackets. So we can say one bracket is common. So we say 1 plus 3x. Okay. So this 1 into this simply means this single bracket takes away one bracket here. And you can see there will remain one bracket because here we have two pairs of brackets and here we have one pair of brackets. So if this one takes away one, there will remain one pair of brackets, which is 1 plus 3x to the power 1. No longer 2 because this has taken the one set. So when we have a situation like closer bracket of the same, we usually change this one. Yeah. So this is a minus. So this bracket and this, they are of the same number. We have one pair of brackets. We have one set of brackets again. So if this one takes away this, only 4 will remain. So we have 4. So you can only stop here if this one is of higher power. But because of the power is 1, so we can continue by saying 1 plus 3x. So 1 plus 3x minus 4. Remember, whatsoever with a power of 1 is the same thing. A power of 1 does not change anything. Okay, so now we say 1 plus 3x multiplied by 1 minus 4x minus 3x. Yeah, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3x. So this one is correct. But if you don't want the beginning here, the negative value to start, you can as well say 1 plus 3x, then 3x, write this one first, minus 3. So this is what we have. So if for math lovers, if you like to try anyone, I want you to try this and tell me what you have in the comment section. Let's say 2 into p minus 1 cube minus 6 p minus 1 square. So try this one and tell me what you have in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video.